Hello everyone, this is me Prithak Shiwakoti, and today I'm going to explain you about the topic modular programming. Before knowing what a modular programming is, firstly let us know what a module is. So what is a module? When referring to a computer software, a module is a discrete piece of code which can be independently created and maintained to be used in different systems. What is a modular programming? Modular programming is a process in which a user creates various modules and assigns them different tasks. This way it is easier for the user to go along with their work. Let us see an example to make the topic clear. A guy named Rohan was transferred from Japa to Kathmandu. After he came to Kathmandu, he rented a house. The house had kitchen, living room, bedroom and a garden. Rohan had a 9 to 5 job, so it was quite difficult for him to maintain the house all by himself. So he had an amazing idea. He invited his friends Krish, Leela and Ganesh to live with him together. Krish used to take care of the kitchen. The living room was taken care by Leela. The garden was taken care by Ganesh, and the bedrooms were taken care by Rohan himself. This way it is very easy to maintain the house. The same thing is happening in modular programming. Modules are created to make the work easier and faster. Why do we use modular programming? Modular programming is used so that we can create a code that is in readable and understandable format. It is also very easy to detect error and for testing individual module of code. Suppose a group of coders are creating a game in a single module, it might create a lot of confusions. But if they split up their work and work on different modules, the work will be faster and easier. How it works? Firstly, a main module is created by the user. The main module calls a function module. The function module does its tasks and sends the result back to the main module. The user can create as many modules as they want. This is exactly how modular programming works. This is how a program looks like without modules. As you can see, everything is done in a single module, and if there is any errors, the user have to look manually through each lines. This is how a modular programming looks like. As you can see, there are different modules that are performing different tasks. Thank you all for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon.